Hello, we're Team Orange from Concord High School's Tech Department in Wilmington, Delaware. High Point Dairy Farm is a local farm that supplies every school in our district with milk for lunches. For every 1 gallon of milk that High Point produces, 3 gallons of wastewater are created. This causes their 250,000 gallon tank to be 90% full all of the time. Our design needed to be able to accommodate heavy loads, could not use an outside source of electricity, and had to be cost efficient and manageable to work with. We designed a water filtration system that would filter their wastewater so it would be clean enough to be disposed of. Our first design used raw materials like gravel and sand to filter the large particles out of the water. We weren't able to continue with this design because it would not accommodate heavy loads. Our second design used a metal filter mesh instead of the raw materials because it would be able to accommodate more water. Here's how it works.
In our design, the dirty water flows into a chamber and then is forced through mesh, and the water pressure causes the clean water to be pushed out the other side.
We created our prototype out of PVC and used a 5-gallon bucket with a watertight lid to house the filter. Here is a video of us installing the internal piping. After we fully assembled the prototype, we moved on to the testing phase. For our first test, we ran clean water through the system to locate any leaks. We noticed that water was leaking out through the top because the filter unit was not properly sealed. We sealed the leaks with silicone and then ran clean water through it again, and saw that it was working properly. After we were sure there were no more leaks in the system, we tested the filter with dirty water. The filter worked well, and after about 1 cycle, the dirty water was roughly 25% cleaner. We learned a lot from this project and we hope to improve on it in the future.